Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're tired of sitting through endless commercials on YouTube TV, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the latest ways to fast forward through those ads in 2025. With YouTube TV's updates, skipping commercials has never been easier or more efficient. Whether you're binge watching your favorite shows or catching up on live events, this full guide will save you time and frustration. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your YouTube TV app is up to date. Head to your device's App Store, search for YouTube TV, and hit that update button if needed. This is crucial because the 2025 features we're discussing rely on the latest version for smooth operation. Now, step 1. Open the YouTube TV app and start playing your video or live stream. When a commercial break hits, look for the progress bar at the bottom of the screen. That's your key to freedom. Simply tap and hold on the progress bar, then slide your finger forward to fast forward. But wait, there's more. In the new 2025 update, YouTube TV has added a Skip Ads shortcut. To enable it, go to your settings menu by clicking the gear icon, select Playback and Performance, and toggle on the Enhanced Skipping option. This lets you fast forward through ads with just a double tap on the screen. If you're on a smart TV or streaming device, use your remote's fast forward button. Hold it down during commercials, and you'll zip right through. Pro tip. For live TV, this might not always work perfectly due to real-time broadcasting, so try pausing and resuming to jump ahead. Also, keep in mind that some premium content might have restrictions, but for most on-demand videos, this is a game changer. One more thing. If you're using the YouTube TV app on your phone, enable Picture-in-Picture mode in your device settings. This way, you can fast forward while multitasking. There you have it. Simple, effective ways to dodge those ads. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay tuned for our next guide, and remember, life's too short for commercials. See you soon.